Hello friends, welcome to my channel Grammarian Bhai, and today we are going to learn how to change exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. So before we change exclamatory sentences into indirect speech, you need to know certain rules or these steps. So first one you need to know is that the reporting verb said will change into exclaimed with joy or with sorrow. And the reporting verb said will change into exclaimed, cried, prayed, wished, and so on. But mostly the reporting verb said is there, then we change into exclaimed with joy or exclaimed with sorrow. Next rule you need to remember is that exclamatory sentence will change into declarative or in a statement form. The third, exclamatory words like oh, hooray, alas are not mentioned or not written when we change into indirect speech. Then conjunction that is needed. Conjunction that is needed. Next, the exclamation mark is not used when we change from direct to indirect speech. And last, other rules regarding tenses are same. So these are the rules you need to keep in mind when you change exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. So now let's see some of the examples. So first one, the girl said, alas, we missed the flight. So alas, we missed the flight is the exclamatory sentence. So now let's apply all the rules. So we have seen according to rule said will change into exclaim with either joy or sorrow. Then exclamation mark will be not written, as well as the exclamation words also will be not written, and other changes, whatever changes required with regard to tenses we have to follow. So now let's change it. So here the girl exclaimed with sorrow that they had missed the flight. So here, so said changes into exclaimed. Then here, alas. So here, the girl is not happy because they have missed the flight. So here, exclaimed with sorrow. Then conjunction that is needed. Then we missed the flight. It is in simple past tense. So simple past tense changes into past perfect tense. So we here changes into they had missed the flight. Next example we have Rinku said, comma, within inverted commas, oh no, I lost my wallet. So let's change it. So here Rinku is happy or sad. So here Rinku is not happy because he has lost his wallet or the purse. So now when we change into indirect speech, then it will be Rinku exclaimed with sorrow. That conjunction that is needed. Now who is I here? I is Rinku. So here Rinku exclaimed with sorrow that he had lost his wallet. So here now said change into exclaimed with sorrow, because here oh no, here Rinku is not happy because he has lost his wallet. That's why exclaimed with sorrow. Then conjunction that is needed. Then here I is here Rinku. So Rinku is a boy, so pronoun will be he. And this particular sentence is in simple past tense, so it will change into past perfect tense. So it will be he had lost his wallet. Next one we have he said, hurrah, we have won the first prize. So here hooray or hurrah is happy moment. So they are so happy. That's why here he exclaimed with joy that now here we have won the first prize. So we have won is in present perfect tense. So present perfect tense changes according to rule into past perfect tense. So it will be they had won the first prize. So here he exclaimed. So here said changes into exclaimed with joy, because here they have won the first prize. So that's why they are so happy. Hooray, they are saying. So here with joy. That conjunction that has to be added. Then this sentence is in present perfect tense. So present perfect tense changes into past perfect tense. Then it will be they had won the first prize. And after that we have to provide full stop. We do not add exclamation mark or do not write exclamation mark. And also we do not write the words, exclamatory words we do not write like hooray, oh no or alas. We do not write when we change exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. So remember few rules, especially exclamatory sentences will be changed into declarative or statement form. Second you need to remember is that exclamatory words such as alas, oh no, hooray should not be written when you change into indirect speech. And at the end also we do not write exclamation mark, but then we provide full stop. Mostly the reporting verb will change into exclaimed with sorrow or joy. So said will change into exclaimed with sorrow or with joy, or depending upon the sentences, this reporting verb said will change into maybe prayed or wished or cried and so on. Hope you understood how to change exclamatory sentences into indirect speech. And if you have understood how to change exclamatory sentences into indirect speech, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a great day.